Welcome back to Past Light Insight Academy. Ẹ jọ̀wọ́ ẹ bá like video wa, kẹ́ ẹ bá wa share, kẹ́ comment. So I'm going to my ginger one here. Let's share a lot of videos because our determination is to do videos on chemistry, physics, mathematics, and any subject that is having calculations. So that is our main target. But if I don't like videos or I tell you share videos or I don't have any official. So please and please. So today we're having more samples on bearing and distance. And if you have not watched the previous video, please try to watch the previous video. Thanks. So today now, watch the video to the end to understand the secret behind bearing and distance. So look at the questions on the board. One advanced questions on bearing and distance. A man traveled from a village S on a bearing of 60 degrees. The same way, so 60 degrees, from here is 60 degrees. From S to Y, this is 60 degrees to Y. This is your Y. So are you seeing this now? Then we're having the distance is 20 kilometers. So this is your Y. From Y, from the same Y, he traveled to a village Z on a bearing of 195. From here to here is 90, to here 180. 195 will be around the side. So this is 195. That way. Then you draw a cardinal point as consists now. So your cardinal point will be this side. This way. Very straight line. So do you see it now? Then continue. Z is directly east. Mean directly that they should be on a straight line to each other. On a straight line to each other. Exactly. So that is meaning of this east, because this is north, this is south, this is east, and this is west. So this Z is east of your S. East of your S. Meaning that join them together. Calculate to three significance figure the distance Y from Z. So Y from Z, we don't know. So that is what is triangle face, that is small s. This is small z, and this is small y. Then the angle from the beginning here to this particular point here is 195 degrees. So if that should be the case, from here to here, the remaining part, it will be 195 degrees minus 90, 180 minus 180 is 15 degrees. So this triangle here, this small one here is 15 degrees. So use your Z, draw your Z this way. So this is your Z. So if here is 15, the other side too is 15 degrees. 15 degrees. So want to get this angle, and this place is right angle. This is right angle. And right angle is 90 degrees. So we can have 90 plus 15 is equals to 105 degrees. So all the total here is 105 degrees. Then we can get our angle now. So the first question is to look for Y from Z. Y from Z, get the S. So we only have one side. Anytime you have one side, so you are using sine angle, you can't use cosine angle. So sine 105, the line facing is over 20 is equals to, which one are you looking for? The remaining part here, if here is 60, this place is 30 degrees. Because this is right angle. Right angle. So 30, so sine 30 over, what is here? S. So let's press our calculator to get this. So sine 105 is 0.9659 over 20. Sine 30 is 0.5 over S. So when you cross multiply, S means this, then this one means this. 20 times 0.5, this is here, divided by 0.9659, because we are looking for the S. So divided by 0.9659. This times this, we've gotten the answer as 10. So this divided by 0.965. So the final answer is 10.3530. We can put the calculator to confirm. So to three significance figure, count 1, 2, 3. What's that back? 5 is 1. So 10.4. Just count 3. S to three significance figure, 10.4. Three significance figure. So and the second one now, let's go to the second question. Z from S. Roman figure 2. This Roman figure 1 for today. So Z from S now, this point. There's no any angle here, but we can get the angle. If here is 105, here is 30. Sum of angle in a triangle is 180 degree. So you can have 30 plus 105 plus, we don't know what is here, capital letter Y is equals to 180 degree. So this plus this 135 plus Y is equals to 180 degree. So Y is equals to 180 minus 135. So Y is equals to 45 degree. So here is 45 degree. 45 degree. So you can also use sine root 2 as well. The same way that we solve this. This now, sine, what do you have now? This Y. So this is what we are looking for. Sine 45 over Y, it face Y, is equals to, you can use any one that you like. So you can use sine 105 over this. So sine 105 over 20 over 20. So what is sine 45? Let's do that and see. Now 0.7071 divided by Y. Sine 105 is 0.9659 divided by 20. So when you cross multiply, this means this times this, that's what we're having. At the end of the day, I'm going to get the Y, divide both sides by 0.9659. So this is what I have. So this time this divided by, I'm having 14.641. To 3 significant figure, let's go. 1, 2, 3. What is at back? 4. 4 is 0. So your Y is 14.6. 3 significant figure. Thanks.